Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Oxygen Builder step by step. First, install the Oxygen Builder plugin on your WordPress site. After activation, you'll see the main editing interface. This powerful tool allows you to design visually, giving you complete control over your website's appearance. We'll cover the essential steps to get you building beautiful pages quickly and efficiently. Let's dive in and explore its core features. Now, let's create your first page. Add a new page in WordPress and click Edit with Oxygen. You'll start by adding sections and columns to define your page structure. Then, simply drag and drop elements such as headings, text blocks, and images into place. Oxygen's intuitive drag-and-drop functionality makes it easy to arrange content precisely. Experiment with different elements to see how they fit together. Once your elements are in place, it's time to style them. Select any element to access its styling options, where you can adjust colors, fonts, and spacing. Oxygen also allows you to set global styles, ensuring a consistent look and feel across your entire site. Don't forget to use the responsive controls to make sure your design looks great on all devices, from desktops to mobile phones. This level of detail ensures a polished final product. For more advanced users, Oxygen Builder offers powerful features like dynamic data, allowing you to connect your designs to blog posts or custom fields. You can also create reusable components, saving you significant time on future projects. These advanced techniques help streamline your workflow and build complex, data-driven websites. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to enhance your home. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.